Hello everyone. Today we're going to be reviewing another Leetcode medium algorithm question. We're going to be resolving this in Python. So let's take a look at the question. The question is number 215, the kth largest element in an array. So what does that mean? So we're going to be given an array of integers in a random order, and we want to return the kth largest element. So let's take a look at an example. Here we have this input is just a list of integers. And so the idea here is to return the second largest integer. So we can see the largest is 6, the second largest is 5, so the expected output here is 5. Another example does the same thing. The fourth largest integer is 4, so we have 6, 5, 5, and then 4. All right, so let's jump right into this. I always find it's easiest to think through what it is that you're wanting to accomplish, how you're going to accomplish it, and then start writing the code after you have a plan. If you just jump right into the code, you're not going to come up with the best solution that's going to reflect the way that your thought process sort of laid it out. So there's a few things I think that we need to do here. So the first thing that I think we need to do is we need to sort the list. And we're going to want to sort this in descending order. So the largest number is first, the smallest number is last. And then we're going to want to grab the integer by position. So in this case, it'd be the second position in the list. So in this example, if we had this list, it would look like this. So once sorted, we would have this as our list, and then we'd want the second position, which would be 1, 2, and we can just pull it straight off of the list. So there's a really simple, straightforward way we can do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to first sort the list, like I mentioned. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so our list is name nums. So let's pull in that sorted list. So we're just going to go ahead and sort that list. Nums, and as I mentioned, we want to do this in reverse so we can grab by position. So let's put this in reverse. There we go. So this is going to give us from largest to smallest. Now how do we go about returning the kth position of the list? Well, we can always tack on the position here at the end. So we want to return whatever position 1, 2, 3, or whatever it is we want to return. In this case, we want to return the position k, but keep in mind that lists have a 0 index, so it's k. If k is 1, then we're going to want to take away the 1 from the k, which is actually a 0 index, so 0 index being the first one in the list. So let's do that. I already have that there. All right, so let's put in our k, and we're going to subtract 1 from k. Now the cool thing about this is that we can do it all in place, so we can just return this all in place, sort and return in place. And this will give us the answer that we're looking for. It'll sort the array for us, give us the kth position based on the index, and take away that 1. Let's give it a shot and make sure that this works for us. So let's run the code. There we go. Looks good. With all that looking good, let's go ahead and submit our answer and see what happens. Great. So here we are. We've submitted our sorted array. We sorted in place and grabbed the kth position, and our answer is in the top 87% of responses. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave some comments below if you came up with a different solution, and we'll see you next time.